The moment you find yourself looking for money, you have missed the law. You will never find money. Money is not missing. Don't look for it. It is attracted by who you are becoming more than what you do. Becoming is greater than doing. Your evolution and your transformation is greater than what you do. Can I tell you this? You will prosper largely because of who you have become more than what you do. But the people that do know their God, it starts with knowledge. Listen carefully. It says they shall become, then they shall do exploits. It starts with knowledge, transformation, then action. Most people get it the other way around. So you find many people, Christians, what business can I do to prosper me? What job can I get to prosper me? You are missing it. You can do 30 things, you will get the same result if it's the same mindset doing them. It is not the business that is failing. It's the mindset that is doing the business that is making it fail. Are we together now? That is why the wealthy are not wealthy because of the business that prospered them. The wealthy are wealthy because of the mindset that made the business they are doing to prosper.
Rest on me, rest on me. Let your power, Holy Ghost power.